In our conversation, we use different kinds of sentences and you use words, parts of speech in their proper position. If you misuse it, meanings becomes different, right? So, for example, we use adjectives. In two ways we use. Adjectives can stand itself and also adjectives we use before nouns. For example, the girl is beautiful. She is a beautiful girl. Okay, in two ways we use beautiful girl. Before noun we use adjective. The bag is heavy. This is heavy bag. Okay, heavy adjective used before noun bag, right? But when you use to, we use to before adjective and before adverb, right? When you use before adjective, that is used before adjective without noun. Okay, this video is about it. So let's get started. To is used before adjective without noun. I put down the bag because it was too heavy. That means to used before adjective. I put down the too heavy bag. The sentence is wrong because we can't use to before adjective with noun. Right? He does not like men who are too tall. This is correct because to is used before adjective. Next sentence, he does not like too tall men. That means we use to before adjective with noun. The sentence is wrong. Let's forget this problem. This is too difficult. I use to before adjective. This is correct. Let's forget this too difficult problem. When you use to before adjective with noun, the sentence becomes wrong. Okay? In such way, we use to. Next point, use of to too much. Okay? You have known to means excess, right? You are too kind to me. What I told, before one adjective we use to, not before one adjective, before an adjective with noun, right? So, you are too kind to me. Okay, so before adjective, this is kind adjective, we use to. You are too much kind to me. It's incorrect. We can't use too much kind. Okay, this is wrong. I arrived too early. Before adverb, we use to. But we can't say I arrived too much early. The too much is wrong. And we use to, right? That means to can be used before adjective plus article er on with noun. Okay? In such way, we can use. Let's see. It's too cold a day to go out. Okay? That means not before noun. It is used before noun phrase or day with one article or an. It's too cold a day to go out. It's correct. He was too clever a businessman to accept the offer initially. What is its meaning? As a businessman, he was too clever to accept the offer initially. I hope you get the concept clear. If you have any doubt, you can ask question in the comment section. Thank you. Stay safe. See you in the next one.